And what's up again guys, ngayon lang ulit ako mag-upload ng video. Gameplay ng Lego Horizon Adventures. Gusto ko na siyang i-try sa modded na Nintendo Switch at sana hindi ako bully ni Nintendo nito kasi naminarata ako. So try natin kung aabot ba siya ng 60 FPS sa gameplay niya. Konting gameplay lang to. So ayan yung FPS sa upper left. 60 pa naman siya. Oh, bumababa. By the way, naka-high lahat yung niya, clock speed. Yung parang RAM at saka yung sa CPU niya. Skip na natin cinematic since gameplay lang habol natin.
What better way to start the day than with some nutritious healing berries?
Yep, ang smooth. Kahit nasa 40s lang siya. And hindi siya blurred guys. So sa cellphone ko hindi siya masyadong ma-appreciate kasi lang smartphone lang siya naka-video, pero sa personal ang maganda yung graphics niya tsaka smooth. Kahit naka 40 FPS lang. Ay, ito. Ha? Ay wow. Pwedeng umupo. Skip na natin yung mga cutscenes. Maganda guys, sa smooth. Ewan ko lang sa yung mga legit na hindi modded na Nintendo Switch. Yung 30 FPS. Pero ito sobrang ganda na ng graphics. Tsaka playable siya. Goods na goods.
That zip line like I asked. This would be much easier.
Ayan. Ang ganda. Focus ba? Ayan, naka-focus pala. Kala ko hindi kita eh.
How about some warm-up shots? You remember how it goes, don't you?
Skip na natin, guys. Ayan. Napaka-playable. Sobrang smooth. So, okay lang siguro to pag 30 FPS. Okay, tatry natin mamaya 30 FPS. So, ito lang muna. So, ito sagad. Ang FPS cap nito is nasa 60 pero nasa 50 o 40 to 50 average lang. Pero sobrang smooth na guys.
I have something for you. A strange device Tirsa found. Aloy couldn't wait to make some new friends and start handing out focuses to them. They were gonna look so cool.
Ay. Napaka-smooth. Napaka-ayos. Haba pwede pa mag-hide sa bush. Pwede. Napaka-smooth. Maganda to, maganda.
Fred had certainly earned some respect. But other machines in the wild were rather less friendly.
Napaka-lupit.
creatures were docile and peaceful. It made her think that maybe destroying them wasn't the nicest thing to do. Then one would headbutt her in the face and she'd get over it.
Target right there on the shining spot.
Ayun. Ay, ito ko gagi. Very nice, Ari.
Do you see me out there? I've got up.
It's under attack.
They're taking people away. We have to do something.
We're too far away, Aloy.
Look, there's people.
Skip na natin yung mga cutscenes, guys, ha. Parang nagpa-flicker ata yung ano ko, ah. Oo nga, nagpa-flicker na, naka-auto-focus. Yun lang.
Mother's heart was far emptier than the village Aloy had imagined. Then again, a strange...
I can't believe this happened on my watch.
Play. Problema, pirata tayo.
Sounds mysterious.
Maka-play. Ano to? Pick up. Uy, gagi, pwede.
Remember to keep an eye out for my
Buhatin mo yung
son.
kasama mo, tapos itapon mo.
He's lost out there.
Ayan. Alo ka, gagi. Ayos to,
Those
ah.
nasty cultists took our friends. Like, who does that?
Siyempre, let's go. Naku, sulit to, guys, pag binili nyo to sa ano. Yung hindi modded na ano. Nintendo Switch. Sobrang ano nito, goods.
There. That's where they...
I can't believe cultists kidnapped all those people.
Boy, a mystery. Just the kind of thing to make a story interesting. According to my narrator manual.
Ay.
I'll stash this away somewhere safe.
Uy. Op.
Didn't see that one coming. Huh. The old one sure made some strange. Oh, an old world wreck. I wonder what it was for.
Uy, gagi, ano to?
Target right there on
Ano
the
bang
shine
ano?
spot.
Stealth attack. Wala. Yes, wala.
That log spawn is a great place. Ah, nice
Dalawa.
shot, me.
Ay, gagi ka.
You're
Dalawa sila.
That's one machine less.
Opya. Sobrang gusto na laro na to.
Another weird ancient thing. So mysterious. And off we go.
Wait, try natin 30 FPS. Galing natin yung ano. Ano, wala. 30 FPS. Ano ba yun? Click. Ito ba yun? Ay, hindi. So, babalik natin 30 FPS lock. Then, tatanggalin natin tong click. Yup. Ito 30 FPS na to. Pakita natin. Status monitor, FPS. Ayan. Ayan, ito na 30 FPS. Yup, kahit 30 FPS, okay na okay pa din. So, parang naka-default na tayo, guys. Goods.
And that's the last battle.
Found some of the prisoners. Now to clear out the guards.
Okay lang. Hindi naman siya nag-frame drop. So, around 30 FPS pa din. Stable 30 FPS.
We got trouble.
You won't be bothering anyone now.
Opya! Uy! Uy, gago! Ubus lahat, guys.
Please, come on, please.
Let me help you.
Free at last. Our savior. And it's you, isn't it?
Hanggang dito muna tayo ng video natin. Hanggang dito lang muna, guys. Kasi baka ma-spoil eh. Hindi pa nakakapaglaro. So, ito, early game lang muna tayo. Anyway, thank you so much kung sino man yung nanonood nitong video na to.